While the systems we envision in our projects get more and more sophisticated, new tools and solutions are required. Generative AI has given us new ways to help engineers. New technical and requirements documents, SysML models, simulations, spreadsheets, test case definitions can be created with a click of a button. However, uncontrolled proliferation of sources is counterproductive. Furthermore, enabling the corresponding processes and tools towards an agile systematic reuse will leverage harmony across our systems engineering projects. But cost reduction is just the tip of the iceberg. Massive gains in speed and time to market, quality increase and risk reduction, and empowered brand reputation are also envisioned when embracing a successful reuse strategy. So, the question is, do we want to bet on a systematic approach or an ad hoc one? While opportunistic reuse looks cheaper and quicker, the benefits are more limited and the risks are higher. However, a systematic approach typically requires heavy upfront investment. Why not finding the balance and harmony between these two worlds? Getting the benefits of a systematic reuse approach, but with the investment of an opportunistic one. The Reuse Company offers a pragmatic approach to include reuse in the systems engineering process. This approach includes 5 main stages: identify, qualify, classify, adapt, and measure. On top of this process, the Systems Engineering Suite, SES, provides the tooling layer, making this approach accessible to everyone. Let's see these stages in detail. 1. Identification. Knowledge identification can pave the way for the rest of the stages in this approach. Addressing this stage at the beginning of the reuse journey will imply a more traditional and systematic approach, where controlled vocabularies, thesauri, and ontologies will be the basis for further knowledge reuse, including the definition of the scope, the identification of reusable components in libraries, as well as a variant model. 2. Qualification. Artifacts reuse follows the GIGO principle, garbage in, garbage out. Only high-quality assets should be enabled for reuse, regardless of which of the offered approaches is followed. Analyzing the quality of requirements, or models, performing V&V activities, all this is a must for the success of your reuse strategy. 3. Classification. The SES suite offers a semantic search engine, thus enabling fine-grained reuse. Once a reusable artifact is found, always following a need-to-know principle, the complete system of traces offered in the suite allows for the identification and reuse of other related work products, thus enabling a complete find-and-own approach. 4. Adaptation. Once an artifact has been identified, multiple transformations are enabled. For instance, the generation of a test scenario for a system requirement, the transformation of a model from its source tool language into another tool format or language. Generate also a variant of your requirements or models, starting with the 150% document or model, and applying product line engineering. 5. Measurement. All the benefits leveraged by such an advanced pragmatic reuse approach need to be shown with KPIs, dashboards, and other graphical ways. The Systems Engineering Suite also includes a flexible scoreboarding tool to highlight the results of this approach. This scoreboard can also be used to show the level of quality of your artifacts, traceability coverage, and many other aspects. This flexible reuse method allows for starting at any of the 5 stages, thus enabling an upfront investment reduction. Feel the benefits just starting by qualifying your requirements and models, Stage 2. Then implement a semantic search engine for high-quality artifacts, Stage 3. Before you think of adapting and transforming the retrieved artifacts into other types of artifacts or other languages or frameworks, Stage 4. Finally, implement a domain engineering strategy with all the gained knowledge about your business according to Stage 1, while keeping everything under control with the measurement dashboard implemented in Stage 5. Just adapt the flow of stages as you wish. The reuse method implemented in the Systems Engineering Suite allows obtaining the benefits expected with a systematic approach, but just with the investment of an ad hoc strategy. Light up the harmony and efficiency of your systems engineering process with the Systems Engineering Suite by the Reuse Company.